What does the lion do?
Oh, no, let's try again.
What does the lion do? What does the snake do? What does the snake do? What does the monkey do? What does the snake do? And the lion?
What does the giraffe do?
What does the fish do? Dan, what does the fish do? What does the fish do? No. Fish. What does the fish do?
What does the cow do?
What does the cow do? What does the fish do?
Can you
The
say?
fish goes.
Can you say Oscar?
Georgie.
Can you say Lucas?
Judy.
Can you say Anton?
Anno. He said Anno.
Can you stop doing the video? That's
No,
right.
he said
Can you say Mummy?
Mummy.
Can you say Daddy?
Auntie.
Very good. Yes. Can you say Dante?
Anna.
Clever boy.
Can say Dante, Mummy, Daddy.
Can you say wow?
Wow.
Yeah. He says wow to everything, don't you? Wow.
Can you say uh-oh?
Uh-oh.
Oh dear.
Dear. Oh dear. it's the thing.
What does the horsey do? What does the horsey do?
Oh, no.
What does the horsey do?
Tom. Yay!
Can I see the video of it?
What are we videoing? No.